Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me today. I would like to talk to you about one of the foundations of well-being that we haven't covered so far. Obviously we've spoken about the mind, we've spoken about being active, and we've spoken about learning quite a lot as well. So today is going to be about connecting. And with that, I mean connecting with people, connecting with your friends, family, key workers, people that support you, people that you want to speak to at the moment. And I think, especially at the moment, it's more important than ever that we stay connected and we find ways of doing so. So there's obviously the simple phone call that you can do, or the sending a message, being on social media potentially, writing a letter maybe even. So those are sort of the ways that we can use. And today I would like to focus on virtually connecting. I find that actually seeing someone through the phone over a video call makes all the difference. And I know that some of you are quite familiar already with some of the apps that you can use to have the video calls, and today I would like to focus on two of them, and introduce you a little bit more to them and explain sort of the main features. So the first one is going to be Zoom, which a lot of people are using at the moment. It's very user friendly in my opinion. And then the second one is going to be WhatsApp video call. So in the following video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide, and just as a reminder for you as well, you can pause the video whenever you need to. If you sort of need to pause, maybe go back to your phone and try to do what was just said in the video. And also don't be hard on yourself, because we've all started, for those of you that haven't used technology in that way before, we've all started somewhere, and I found it difficult at the beginning, but it's all practice and doing it all over again and just trying it out. And if it's not for you, then that's absolutely fine as well. But in sort of showing you that those apps and how to use them, I hope that we maybe can speak over a video call in the future as well. So always feel free to let me know. If you want to have a video call instead of a normal telephone call, so we can look each other in the eye and have a nice chat. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope the video enables all of us to connect that way. And anytime you have any questions, just let me know. If there's anything unclear in the video, or you're doing a certain step and it's not working, please just feel free to let me know. I see you back here on Friday, and enjoy. Oops, need to correct myself. I'm actually going to see you back here tomorrow. And also, using this opportunity, just want to let you know, I am washing this t-shirt. I know I wear it a lot, but I am washing it. Just thought I'd let you know. Enjoy the video. So let's have a look how Zoom works. The first step would be to download the app. On an Android phone, you can do that through the Play Store. If you have an iPhone, you can do it through the App Store. So you click on it, and then you have the little search area over here that you can click on and look for Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and then go on search. And here we go. It appears as the first one straight away. And then you can just click on install, and it will just take a few seconds potentially, up to a minute depending on your Wi-Fi, and then it will all be downloaded. So for presentation purposes, I have actually scheduled a meeting with Zoom right now, just to show you how it works. So I've sent myself the meeting ID and the password. I've received it through WhatsApp, but I could send it to you via message as well. What I did, just because it's easier, I just quickly written down the meeting ID and the password on a piece of paper, and then I can access, let's put this on again. I can access Zoom, just click on the app. It will come up with the start page. You can click on join meeting. And then as you've just seen, I've got the meeting number available here. So I'm going to quickly pop that in. So that's the one. Then you see here this is the name that it comes up with. If you wanted to, you can change it to your name. This is what my phone is called. Then you've got two options here. You can access or start the meeting with no audio and no video if you like. For me, the whole purpose is obviously to see each other and speak to each other. Therefore, I would just keep it as it is, but it's completely up to you. Then you can just click on join meeting. It will ask you for the password, which I've also written down. So I'm going to quickly pop that in. Capital letters are important, so if there's capital letters, make sure that you enter them correctly. Click OK, and then this page will appear, which says that you're waiting for the host to start the meeting. So I haven't actually started the meeting yet, so let me do that. Now that I've started the meeting as the host, you will just get this privacy policy message that I will agree to, and then you should see this screen, which means that I have to accept you to the meeting, which I'm going to do now. And automatically you should enter the meeting via your phone. So you will see me right now on the screen because I'm trying this out from my computer. But just for you to see as well, you have multiple options here. So at the moment I can't see you. So in order for me to see you, you need to activate the start video, and it will ask you if you want to allow Zoom to have access. I will allow, otherwise you won't see me. And then now you appear on here. So if I take this up, then you will be able to see me. So this is just the basics of Zoom. If you can then be on the meeting and talk to each other. Every time you would like this to appear again, you also always just need to click once on here. If you're done with the meeting, you click once on the display and you can say leave, and then you will just have to press this button here, and then you have left. That's how easy it is. So two more things that I'd like to point out on here. So if you click on the screen again, you see that at the moment, mute and stop video, they are both like this. If you want to mute yourself, you can just click on it, so I won't be able to hear you anymore. And if you want to stop the video, I won't be able to see you anymore neither. So you've got that option down here, but I'm gonna get them both going again. And then I just wanted to quickly show you that I can actually, on here now, I can share my screen with you. So if we were to apply for any jobs and there was questions on there, it'd be much easier for you to actually see them. So I could do this, and you will now see my screen. So I can show you what's going on, which is really, really cool. So it's a really great feature that Zoom has as well. So now I stopped sharing my screen again, and here I am. Lovely. So let's quickly have a look as well on how to use WhatsApp video call. The majority of you is already using WhatsApp. For those of you that might want to download it, again, you can do so in the Play Store for Android phones and the App Store for iPhones. I've got it downloaded already here. And I've already opened the person that I wanted to speak to. And then you've got the three symbols up here. So if you just want to do an audio call, you can literally just click on the little phone sign over here. But if you wanted to call someone via video, you can literally just click on this little camera here. And now you can see me again. So I should now receive the call. So if you wanted to hang up, you can just use this red button over here. But this way we can also communicate face to face, which I'm very looking forward to doing with some of you.